asked to do something but not knowing how to do it can be very intimidating, especially if it's something you should already know how to do. Don't worry, I've been there before too. I know the feeling of being asked to write a check but not sure how to. Today, I'm here to teach you the ins and outs of writing a check. I'll teach you how to write a check, when to write a check, and some benefits of writing a check. So how does someone write a check? Well, writing a check is a lot easier than it looks, and once you get the hang of it, you won't be as intimidated either. Writing a check is only 6 easy steps. The first thing you should do is always date your check. That's step 1. This step is important to do first so the receiver knows when you wrote it and you don't forget. Next comes the pay to the order of. Step 2. On this line, you will need to write the name of the person or company you are writing this check for. Step 3 and step 4 are very similar. All you need to do is write out the amount you are paying in numbers and in words. Now step 5 can be kind of confusing for some people, but that's okay because it's optional. Step 5 is writing down the memo. The memo is when you write down the reason you wrote the check. For example, monthly rent or custom t-shirt. Last, we have step 6, sign the check. Yep, you're done. It's that easy, people. Now let's get into when you should write a check. Paying with checks are great for large purchases like home sales. With these large purchases, you will always want proof of how much money you spent. Since checkbooks provide receipts behind the written check, you are able to track all of your purchases. These pieces of paper can help your budgeting, and you will always have an overview of all of your spending. Checks are also great when you want to avoid convenience fees with electronic payments. When you use checks, you don't have to worry about paying a fee, resulting in a cheaper purchase. In some cases, writing a check can also be very beneficial. Writing a check is commonly known as being a safe option. Traceability is very important, and paper checks offer a level of traceability that's not possible from cash and other pay systems. When you mail someone a check, you are able to select the mail service along with the tracking method. If you paid with a money order, tracing the payments can take up a lot of time and money. Checks also require signatures, unlike card or cash. This ensures that the purchase is legit. This can be very helpful if your wallet is stolen, and unlike cash or cards, checks require a signature that the cashier can check with the customer's ID. Checks are here to help you, not scare you away. Overall, knowing how to write and use a check is very helpful in life, and not as intimidating as you would think. Now you know how to write a check, when to write a check, and some benefits of writing a check. Thank you.